Hi, this is Chris from AirWindows, and I have something more than a little bit unusual to show you. This is a drum sample instrument, but it is a sample instrument with a number of weirdnesses to it, and here is one of them. Watch this. This is a sample instrument designed to work with AirWindows console. It's working with the most recent console, and what this does is the samples in it are pre-processed so that if you set it up in EXS24 with Unity Gain, all of the individual samples are run through the console system from the individual sample level. So as they overlap, everything that they do and everything that they do inside console, everything they do inside EXS24 is also being done inside console. That counts for the cutoff frequency, here we've got a there you are. So you can do anything within there, and that's being done inside the console system. Now what you also get is like this. Let me do a little A/B here. Here's a ride cymbal. That's actually a lot of different samples overlaying on top of each other. If you turn on console, as this is designed to work with, you might have heard that it was a little bit loud and up front that way. This undistorts it, and the samples will overlap inside the console system. Now, AORKit has a pretty aggressive pointy set of drums, especially compared to some of the ones that I've got. And you're not actually hearing three toms. These are the two toms. This is a snare, and this is the alternate snare. And we've got a side stick on this. So pretty much AORKit means that it's kind of a punchy, aggressive, and this particular one recorded fairly well, so it's not got lots of noise in the background. And with this you could either sequence or play a variety of beats. It's not perfectly set up for the Roland system. It's actually set up in a more general MIDI kind of way. So you have to remap stuff inside a Roland brain in order to make it work properly with this. But we've got top and side, including for the crash. And if I'm not mistaken, I've also got these ones either had a splash cymbal or a ride bell. So we'll go by what you can actually hear here. Whatever. Anyways, AORKit has a lively sort of sound, and it is designed to work inside console. So you needed to use a fairly generic, ordinary, general MIDI kind of drum kit, and you wanted to do stuff in console, this might be the one you want. It's the most general purpose in such a way that it's still fairly aggressive. I hope you like it. Oh, but it's $10, like my other sample kits and stuff. AORKit has variations. See, it says Gate, GateSim, Live Hat, and Sequenced Hat. Sequenced Hat means it is not actually round robining in the same way. It's not got everything assigned to the same thing so that individual hits don't cut each other off. You have to extend them outwards with a longer note. You can tell by the roll here, it spits out a very limited length of note. So you get that out of the Roland. But what it does is this organization of the kit, you do have to tell it to do the full length of notes or set it to legato, but it will round robin the hits rather than just assigning them strictly on the basis of velocity. So they don't cut themselves off, but they're round robin rather than going straight across. Now the other variations are like this. Gate is exactly the same thing, but for all of the drums. Now that's kind of silly, but one thing about it is you can pull it up using just another selection in the menu. It's using the same samples and it's not taking any extra space to do this. So it's something that is a sort of alternate thing because I thought, why not allow it to be there? And then their variation is kit gate symbols. It wants to load some of them over again. The hat is actually behaving like the sequenced hat, but that means you can combine the very decent AirWindows symbols, which are mixing within console again, with heavily gated drums. If that's the sort of thing you want to do, it comes with the AORKit and it's free. So AORKit is $10, like the other sample type things that I've made with loops and sample instruments and stuff. And if you'd like to get it, then by all means pick it up. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.